Hi there, I'm G, and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Get ready to warm your soul with the irresistible flavors of Mexican meatball soup. Join me as we simmer fragrant herbs and tender meatballs in a rich aromatic broth that will transport you to the heart of Mexico. Mexican meatball soup is delicious and perfect for any time of year. This healthy soup is loaded with vegetables and hearty meatballs in a flavorful chili broth. So let's dive into this comforting bowl of goodness together. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. Let's get started with making the meatballs. In a large mixing bowl, add the ground beef, diced onion, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Then mix until it is well combined. If you don't want to use the ground beef, then use ground chicken or ground turkey instead. Next, we are going to shape our meatballs. Use a 1/4 cup measuring cup to portion them out. Then roll the portioned meatballs into spheres. Add canola oil to a larger pot and bring up the heat. Once hot, sear the meatballs on all sides. Then turn off the heat and set the stock pot aside. Now it's time to make the chili puree. In a 1-quart pot, add the guajillo chilies and water and bring the mixture to a boil. Then transfer the mixture to a blender, or you can use an immersion blender to create the puree. Next, place a fine mesh strainer on top of the stock pot with the meatballs and strain the puree directly into the stock pot. Add the diced chayote squash, carrots, onions, garlic, hand-diced tomatoes, chicken stock, and cannellini beans to the stock pot. If you can't find chayote squash, then try using zucchini instead. Bring the soup up to a boil, and once it reaches a boil, lower the heat to a simmer, and let it simmer for 30 minutes. Lastly, ladle the Mexican meatball soup into bowls and enjoy. If you want the full recipe, then check out the description box below, or head to cozymeal.com/recipe, where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.